You guys already know what the fuck we're at. This is another piece of shit. Yeah, we're back. That is smooth. That was smoother than before. Both lanterns are lit.
Oh yeah, always did that. Ooh, that's bench.
Oh, nice. I'll feel bad you're not getting good video. Comments on this elevator?
It's crappy.
Yes.
It's holding up decent for a mall. The last one's worse. Look at that.
Oh, what's out here?
Notice how they put UL on the star now. It's weird.
Oh, they're done. Your certificate. Here's the cab. Camera. Remember that from the video. Alright, we get off.
I would like to point out the build quality.
Holy shit.
Schindler.
And also, why is that fucking like that? That pisses me off.
In the up direction. That's weird.
Yeah.